This video today, we're going to talk about how do you turn your Claude into social media manager using a secret tool called RobinReach. Before we jump into the demo, you know what to do. Like and share so more people can see this. All right, let me show you some magic, and I will show you all the setup too. But first, I want to show you the magic, the real sauce. I'm going to say, open Claude, hey Robin. So that's the integration that I have done, and the step-by-step, I'll walk you through it. So don't go anywhere. Can you create and schedule prayer of the day post on my Live Your Why Facebook page? And then daily 6 a.m. for next 3 days. Let's go. We could do it. I'm doing it for 3 days for the purpose of this demo to make it concise, but you could do this for 7 days. You could do this for 14 days. You can do this for 30 days, up to you. And now look, it's working. Claude is working with RobinReach. So I found the page, and now it's gonna think. It's going to create the content, it's going to plan, and then it will schedule the content too. So found it, and now it's writing 3 unique prayer of the day posts, and it's going to publish it, or it's going to schedule it using RobinReach. And looks like it is done. Wow, that was super fast. So Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Today is Thursday. So schedule for next 3 days at this time. Boom, done. Now let me open RobinReach. So right now, 3 scheduled posts. If I refresh, it should show 6. Yes. If I go in there, here is prayer of the day post. Here is post number 2. Here is post number 3. So if I view it, so it looks like it created just a text post. So let's go back. This is actually really good. Can you add? Let's see, back in the day, we had to go to Unsplash or different like stock images sites, or maybe if you had a VA, social media manager, you had to ask them. And now let's see what the Claude does. So it found images, and then it's gonna go back and add images to the original post or the 3 posts. So let me update 3 posts with the images by deleting and recreating with the media attached. And then in a few seconds, it should attach. So this is kind of like your social media AI agent or AI employee. It will plan your content. It will create your content. It will publish. And you can also just, anything you want done, editing, just ask it. Rescheduling, deleting, drafting, ask it, and it will do it for you. So let's give it a few seconds. That was actually really fast. It's done already. Let's go back and check it. Let's see if it did a good job or not. So I'm going to refresh. And boom. This is unbelievable. So here's the post number 1, which is 6 a.m. on May 10th, then 6 a.m. May 9th, and May 8th. So this is looks like that's tomorrow, then the after, and then that's the next day. And images which were not there before, they are attached, right? This is so good. So now I'm going to say, can you everything scheduled on all of my social media channels this week? That's the other thing you can ask Claude once you have Claude and RobinReach connected. You can ask it to show you everything that's scheduled. And I believe I don't have any much scheduled right now, so it may not show me much, but you can, if you have a lot of channels like me, maybe you run an agency, maybe you have multiple channels, and you create a lot of draft, a lot of scheduling, you don't have to go and mess around with the calendars. Just ask Claude and it will show you everything in a really like simple and list format. So let's give it a few seconds. And look, it's just beautiful. So it's reading everything and creating like a format. So I don't have to use Google Calendars or other different tools. Everything is right here inside my Claude. So another thing, let me see, what's everything you can do for me using Robin? I spelled everything wrong, but this should create a list for you how powerful this could be, all the possible scenarios, all the possible things you can get done. I could actually just ask it to create content for my, let's say, Instagram with images, for the whole month, and it will do it. So here's everything. Write scheduled posts, recurring posts, bulk scheduling, which we kind of did, save draft, publish immediately, generate AI images. So let's test that. Search campaign builders, analytics performance, brand strategy. So everything a human social media manager could do, you can do it inside Claude with the help of RobinReach. So I'm going to say generate an AI image using Robin about and the ChatGPT versus Claude. And the size should be 4x5 and PNG format, right? And now it will actually generate that image for me, and I could post it right away. I could schedule it on one of my Facebook pages using this web too. And by the way, so right now I'm doing everything on the Claude web, but if you have downloaded Claude Code, or I believe it's called Claude Cowork, you could do everything there as well. And look, the image is ready for me. Looks like I have I am using the Claude free plan, and looks like I've been super excited and using this all morning, and looks like the free credits are done until 5:30 p.m., which is like an hour. That's not bad, but you get the point. Here is the comparison it created. This is so neat, right? All right, so now the last thing, how do you actually connect it? So we're using the custom connections, the MCPs. So how do you actually connect your RobinReach with Claude to be able to convert Claude into a social media manager? So let me show you first I show you the sauce, the magic, and now let's talk about the different steps, how to actually set this all up. So here's the tool RobinReach. It is a social media management tool, but this is one of my favorite. It's amazing. You can create content and publish on all of your social media platform. There's a lot of automation, which is one of my favorite features. So recently they've added a brand new feature here called you can talk to Claude. So when you click here, it will actually it's gonna show you all the steps. So make Claude your social media manager. We saw some examples, some use cases earlier in this video, but when you click on Claude, it will show you different steps here. If you are using the Claude desktop, you just follow these 3 steps, 1, 2, and 3, and you're able to get your API key from RobinReach and then paste it into the config file, and boom, you're done. If you are like me and you are using the web Claude, it's simple again too. You're gonna go to your dashboard and brand settings, click here, and you're gonna see this section here called Connect Claude. So when you click Connect Claude, it will give you a link, your API key embedded. It's gonna look something, it's gonna be long numbers. Let me actually go back and show you. It's gonna look something like this, right? With your own RobinReach. Yes, you do need you need to create an account on RobinReach and get that key from inside, just like I showed you. Now, once you have that link, you're gonna go back to your Claude and then go to settings, connectors. And since I am using the free Claude, and the good thing is you don't even need paid Claude plan to be able to do this. This is so awesome. So, and then you're gonna click on custom connector add, and then here's the long URL that I was just mentioning. Just add it there, and boom, your connection will be done. And then after that, you can just start chatting like this, right? So, hey, hi Robin, it will just talk back to you, and you can ask how many social media channels I have. Here's some other use cases. It showed me all the channels that I have connected, how many brands you have, different brands that you've created inside RobinReach, and then you can start creating content and posting it. Super awesome. So Claude plus RobinReach becomes your new AI social media manager, employee, agent. it is gonna save you so much time and money. You don't need to pay like thousands of dollars to someone, hire someone to get this all done. You can just do it from your desktop, from your phone actually, or if you have a web or a desktop app, or actually if you use Claude Code on the terminal, if you're technical, if you like that, you can get it all done inside there too. So multiple options. Any questions, let me know before you go. Like and share this video so more people can see this, and I'll see you in this next one. Bye for now.